Okay, this is the week 3 and 4 homework assignment, arrays and methods. All right, so the first prompt, take an array n of ages, calculate the difference between the last and the first element without using the index number 7. Here's the code using the length method. Difference is 90, average is 28. Add another age, rerun. Difference is now 102, average is 37. All right, second prompt, string array, loop through, calculate average number of letters. Here's your average number of letters, concatenate all names with a space in between. Third prompt, how do you access the last element of array using the length -1, the length method -1. How do you access the first element of the array? Fourth prompt, use a 0 index. Fifth prompt, create an array called name links, iterate over the previous array, and add the length of each name to the array. All right, here is the code, and here's the result. Sixth prompt, sum all the elements in the name links array. The sum is 23. Here's the code for that. Seventh prompt, multiply a string by an int that you enter. Here's the code. Here's the result. Change that to 4. Rerun. And there's the fourth word added. Eighth prompt, write a method, takes 2 strings, first and last name, and print a full name. There's the code. Here's the result. Okay, prompt number 9 is to write a method that tests if the sum of an int array is greater than 100. Here is the method. And then I called the method. I used 2 different arrays and made one greater than 100, one less than 100. And you see the result is that one of them was less than 100 and the other one was greater than 100. Prompt number 10, average of a double array. So this is the array, passed it into this method, average double, and return the result. Prompt number 11, average of one double array greater than average of another double array. So what I did with this one was created 2 arrays, created a compare array, and compare method. And in that method, instead of writing the code to check the averages, I simply called the previous method that I wrote called average double. So this method calls another method, this one, 10, and then calculates the result, passes the Boolean back to where I called it. And I'm losing my spot. There we go. The 12th prompt, write a method that will decide whether or not to buy a drink. And this is where I called it. No, this is yes. This is where I called it. The method code is here. And finally, write a method that solves a problem. The method that I wrote, as you've seen in the code and here, separates each result of the previous methods. I wrote 2 methods, one to print this line and one to print the prompt and what it does. And that's the end of this video.